Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to blur on CapCut PC. Alright, let's get started. So here you can see this is our CapCut open. So let's import our sample video. So as you can see I have various sample videos, so I'm just going to import this sample video. Now let's drag it to our timeline. So here you can see this is on our timeline, and as you can see there is no things sort of blur over here. So over here I'm going to show you how to make it blur. So on the top side you can see the option for effects, and over here you can see the search option. What you can do is search for blur. So as you can see there are various blurring options, so you can just choose which one do you like, and here you'll be able to add various blur effects. So over here we have various blur effects, so you can just choose one, and once you have done that, here you can see it is on our timeline. So next what you can do is just drag it until the portion of the video that you want to be blurred. So I just dragged it up to the middle part, and here you can see this is already unblurred. So if you drag it until the end, you can see the whole video is now blurred. So that is how you'll be able to apply blur effect on CapCut PC. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, make sure you comment down below. So yeah, that's it for the video. That is how you'll be able to blur on CapCut PC. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.